Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the ARTIHOLIC, and this is Anam, your host. And today I am going to show you how to draw a frame and hang painting in just 3 minutes with soft pastels. And I am using Camlin soft pastels. And about the paper I am using is pastel paper. And also, to blend your pastel powder, use your pastel brush if you don't have a blending brush, and you can go with your hands also. That's all your choice. And you see how I am making the clouds, and also go dark to light colors. I mean, first you should paste dark color and then go with the light. That's how the pastel trick is. And don't forget about the stars, guys. They are must. I mean, they enhance the beauty of the sky at night. And you see how this painting turned out to be. And guys, also, if you haven't checked my last videos, just go check them out. And also, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, Snapchat. Just follow the link given in description below. And if you like my video and this painting, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video, and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching.